Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Yes, it's been a while. I think it's 2 weeks. I didn't do any update. Well, the reason is we didn't move much. We kind of we started the correction. I did tell you that, we were pretty much near the top. And I think I was showing you the RSI that, was starting to go lower. I think it was on the daily. And I did show you this bearish divergence here. Price keep going higher, but RSI it's slightly lower. And yeah, so this was one of the signs. Also, we had the fib levels here and the counts that were kind of very, very complete. And so now, if I go on the 4 hours, maybe, yeah. So where are we now? I think this I can remove it now. And I am looking now. Am I on the good one? Yes, I am. Maybe on the 1 hour it's better. Okay, so I believe this now is the second wave to the downside. I can remove some fibs now as well. And so taking my brush here, my pen, this is the wave 1. We have an A, a B, and a C for the wave 2. So now watch out for the next move. I think it's going to be a dramatic one. So I would say this is the one of the last times. This actually it's a great level for maybe taking a last profits. I think maybe I'm going to take some profits today. This is delayed. If we go on the US one, you can see that yeah, we are. Don't know what happened with my there's something wrong with my charts. I mean, I had some levels here as well. Let me put them back. Not that it changed much, but you can see that we are at the 0.618 in this one. No, seriously, this was not. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. I'm a little bit lost this morning, it looks like. So we are at the 0.618, and yeah, indeed we have this wave 1 and this wave 2 that could be completed, and now we could work into this third wave. Usually third wave are, well, not usually, but most of the time are very dramatic and very impulsive. Well, to the upside, but also to the downside. And in our case, it's going to be on the downside. So DMA 50, 55, I'm not sure is going to do something, but it would be still a substantial drop. But I'm looking more, yeah, this previous peak here. So 82.23 would be a level that I would pay attention to. I think I did a bigger fib retracement here, or I didn't. Let me double check. Yeah, the thing is, the US one, because it has less data, it looks more dramatic, but actually it's because this is, I mean, it's supposed to be a fourth wave. So now some people feel a little bit better, maybe, seeing hot at $4. So these are my case scenario, $60, $35.50, and 24. And the reason is, this also I'm going to get out. The Canadian one has more history. And was it this one or that one? Okay, so it's this one. So you can see that we have 5-way up in the 2020. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We have, some even argue that we had 5-wave down. So this is like 5 up, 5 down. What the hell is that? And we have also here, yeah, I counted a 1, 2, a 3. And this would be a 4th, and then next cycle we will have the 5th one, and that would just close the third wave that I don't know where is it. Let me remove that though. Yeah, here. It's not even that one. Where is my, oh, it's hidden there. So this would be the third one eventually, and then we're going to have the 4th and the 5th. Okay, this is a scenario a little bit more bullish that we could have, or this is just the 1, 2, this is the 3rd, and we're working on the 4th. For this scenario, not that really matters, but yeah, maybe a little bit. But if I count all this completed, this is the area where we should look at. If I'm saying that this is just the 3rd wave and the 4th wave is coming, but not in this count, but in the green one, which I should relabel because they're pretty much, I think, the same. Okay, so now it's a little bit better. So if I do that, then the correction is going to be a little bit less dramatic, but it doesn't change that much, right? So I'd rather go for the more drastic one. And if we have something more mild, then I can say, okay, well, maybe it's the green count. But no matter which count you're counting or you're looking at, we have 5-way up. And yeah, I'm waiting for the correction. I guess this one, I should put it a little bit more on the left side so it's easier to look at. And so, yeah, we do have the MA 200 here, which kind of coincide with the 0.236. So this is something I would really look forward to see for a reaction. And then, yes, we can, price can go below the 200 MA. So we do have the $50. Honestly, $50 would be also the ideal retracement for a wave 4. So that would be a sweet spot for me. And that would be a reaccumulation level. And you can see that here we have a lot of price action on that level. So if I go on the Canadian, no, this is the Canadian run already. Seriously? US, pretty much the same. Maybe I don't feel repeating. Anyway, it does apply the same. The only thing it's not the same is the history chart is not the same. So if someone doesn't actually go to the Canadian one, his lecture might be a little bit different. He might think that this is just an A, a B, and then we had, 3, 4, 5. And so we just made a huge A, B, C. Let me put it here as a scenario. An A, and now we're going to make a B and a C. Otherwise, you could say that this was the A, we just did the B, and we're going to go lower now for the C wave. You see that sometimes it's good to know and find the chart which has the longest history, because it give you a better lecture. But no matter which count you're doing, even this one is more bearish, it's an A, a B, and a C, you know that we are expecting a correction and price will go down. How down? Then we'll see the structure, and then yes, depending on the count after, you could say, okay, no, this is going to go, I don't know, to $4. If let's do it now. Okay, I take the scenario. This was the A wave, and this is the top of the B wave. So see, be nice to have the 1-to-1 ratio. And this is how it changed, right? Because if you are convinced that this is an ABC to the downside, well, you're aiming to 12 and 660, which perhaps it will not happen, because on the Canadian one, I don't have this lecture. So this is why it's important, even if you're investing in the US, to go and look the Canadian, because it has a longer history, and it really make a difference here, because you can see that we're missing the 5-way up, and that's kind of important. All right, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And you can follow up on Discord, because I am a little bit more active there. But now, it's like for me, I am taking profits. I'm grabbing more cash to accumulate lower in possibly October, November, December, where price I believe they would be way down, and it would start to be a very nice opportunity to jump back in. Alright, so hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Have a good day. Bye.